Hey guys, welcome back to Maxim Automation. Today in this video, we're going to see that how to get the coordinate values of your mobile screen. In our last video, we have also seen how to perform swipe operations using coordinates value on your mobile device. While working with mobile automation, we can perform different operations using the coordinates, like the tap or press method. Now the question comes that how can we get the exact coordinates value to perform those operations? Let's suppose that you want to press or tap over here in the mobile screen and assume that this element does not have any property to work with. So to perform the operation, you need the coordinates values. And to get those values, first you need to go to the system option in settings and then select developer option. Inside the developer option, move to the pointer location setting. By default, this will be disabled. Once we enable this option, it will show the coordinate values for the current touch. So let's enable this option. Here at the top of the screen, you can see that the current touch data like X and Y coordinate values. Now let's go to our application and suppose that I want to tap at this location using the coordinates. And when I touch at this location, then it shows the X and Y values at the top of the screen. Currently, it shows the X-axis value as 502 and Y-axis value as 1157. So you can use these values in your methods to perform the operations like tap and press if that object doesn't have any other properties to work with. Similarly, you can go to any screen and touch the area where you want to perform the operation. It will show you the coordinates values for X and Y axis of the current touch area. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, then please hit on like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.